In this video, we listed the 5 best animation tablets that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XP Pen Artist 12 Graphic Drawing Tablet. XP Pen is one of the most popular brands that manufacture various kinds of drawing tablets, in various sizes and price ranges. With that said, the XP Pen Artist 12 holds the first position in this list since it is highly versatile and has a really handy size as well. This drawing tablet provides you an overall active working area of 11.6 inches, and also comes with an integrated display as well. Moreover, it's compatible with all versions of Windows as well as Mac 10.10 or later. So, you can simply plug it into your workstation and use it to work on any software like Photoshop, Illustrator, SAI, Painter, etc. The integrated display of the tablet has a full HD, 1920 by 1080, resolution and features a 72% NTSC, 100% sRGB, color gamut. Thus, it is highly color accurate and will help you to draw with brilliant color precision. Moreover, the tablet also features 6 customizable buttons and a slim slide bar as well. Speaking about its stylus pen, it gives you a realistic pen-like feeling while drawing and has up to 8,192 pressure levels. Moreover, it even comes with a digital eraser at the other end of the pen. In addition, the pen also comes with 8 replacement nibs as well. Number 2. Simbans PicassoTab PC92 Graphic Drawing Tablet. In case you want a premium drawing tablet that you can use to work on the go while traveling, the Simbans PicassoTab is the best option you can choose to pick. We are placing it in the second position as this tablet is a standalone machine itself. So, there's no need for any workstation to use this drawing tablet. It comes preloaded with Android 9 Pie and is powered by a powerful MediaTek quad-core processor. Apart from that, it also features 2 GB RAM and 32 GB of internal storage as well. That said, you can simply download any drawing application from the Google Play Store and start drawing on this tablet. The tablet has a 10 inches IPS screen with HD, 1280 by 800, resolution and comes along with a responsive stylus pen as well, which will help you in drawing. Along with the tablet, you will also get for bonus accessories such as a leather case, a universal charger, drawing gloves, and a screen protector. Hence, it is a great option in case you are looking for a gift for someone. Apart from that, since Simbans is an excellent and highly popular brand, it also offers a 1-year warranty for this tablet. Number 3. Wacom DTK1660K0A Graphic Drawing Tablet. When it comes to drawing tablets, Wacom is one of the biggest and most popular brands in this industry that offers highly versatile and high-end tablets ideal for professional artists. It is placed in the third position in this list as it's probably the largest drawing tablet in this list. Speaking about the screen of the Cintiq 16 drawing tablet, it features a large 15.6 inches display with full HD, 1920 by 1080, resolution which we usually see in laptops. The screen is totally scratch resistant and has an anti-glare surface so you can have a pleasant experience drawing on it. Moreover, the display is quite vibrant and supports 16.7 million colors bit, 72% NTSC, SI 1931 typical color gamut. It is widely compatible with all versions of Windows and Mac OS, hence, you can freely connect it to your computer and work on any software you like to use. In addition, the Wacom Pro Pen 2 comes along with the tablet that supports 8,192 pressure levels, and also has the tilt recognition feature. Thus, if you are a professional artist, this is one of the best options you can check out. Number 4. GAOMON PD1161 Graphic Drawing Tablet. The GAOMON PD1161 tablet, it has an 11.6 widescreen that has a full HD, 1920 by 1080, resolution so you can draw on it with extreme precision. In fact, it's a brilliant display for drawing since it covers 72% NTSC, 100% sRGB, color gamut. However, if you want to connect it to your workstation, it has a dedicated HDMI port and a USB Type-C port as well. In addition, you also get 8 customizable buttons beside the screen which you can use to set as a shortcut for certain tools. The main highlight of this drawing tablet is actually the stylus, which is quite advanced as it supports 8192 pressure levels and truly gives a pencil-like feeling. Moreover, the pen also comes with 8 replacement nibs which are stored inside the pen holder. In addition, the pen also supports a plus or minus 60-degree tilt function so that you can comfortably draw at various angles. Number 5. Wacom DTC133W0, a graphic drawing tablet. This drawing tablet features a 13.3 inches wide display which is large, nearly to a normal A4 size sheet, and feels like a paper-like canvas while drawing with natural friction. Although the screen resolution is HD, 1280 by 800, it's still a great display for drawing since it's quite bright and vibrant, and also has an anti-glare coating on top of it. Apart from that, the stylus pen is pretty handy and almost feels like a normal pen. On the other hand, the tablet is widely compatible with Chrome OS, Windows, Mac OS, and even with smartphones running on iOS or Android. Hence, you can simply plug this tablet into any device and start drawing freely. Moreover, you will also get access to a 3-month subscription to some amazing drawing apps like Bamboo Paper Pro, Clip Studio Paint Pro if you choose to pick this tablet.